AI is everywhere right now, and Udemy has hundreds of AI courses, but not all of them are worth your time. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI courses on Udemy, ranked from least recommended to most recommended. As I go through each one, I'll be sharing my screen so you can see the prices, ratings, number of lectures, total hours, and what each course actually teaches. Make sure to stay until the end because the number 1 course is the most complete option if you're serious about learning AI. All the courses are also linked in the description of this video. Starting at number 5, we have the ChatGPT Complete Course for Work. As you can see at the top of the page, this course has a solid rating and thousands of students enrolled, which shows that a lot of people are finding it useful. It includes multiple sections and several hours of content focused entirely on using ChatGPT in real-world work situations. Scrolling down, you'll notice the lectures are centered around things like writing emails, generating ideas, improving productivity, and using ChatGPT responsibly and ethically. This is a good course if your main goal is to use ChatGPT better at work. But the reason it's ranked lower is because it doesn't really teach how AI works behind the scenes. It's more about using the tool than understanding AI itself. If you're brand new and just want something practical and easy, this can be helpful. But if you want deeper AI skills, you'll want to keep watching. At number 4, we have Prompt Engineering for AI. Right away, you can see this course has a strong rating and a large number of lectures along with many hours of video content. This tells you it goes pretty in depth on one specific skill, writing better prompts for AI models. As I scroll through the curriculum, you'll notice lessons on structuring prompts, improving AI responses, and understanding how different inputs affect outputs. This is extremely useful if you already use tools like ChatGPT and want better, more accurate results. The reason this course isn't higher on the list is because it's very specialized. Prompt engineering is powerful, but it works best when you already understand the basics of AI. So this course is great if you already use AI tools regularly, but it's not the best starting point for complete beginners. Coming in at number 3 is the Complete AI Guide. This is one of the most popular courses on this list. As you can see at the top, it has hundreds of thousands of students, a strong overall rating, and a very large number of lectures spread across dozens of hours of content. When I scroll through the sections, you'll see this course covers a wide range of topics: ChatGPT, generative AI tools, prompt engineering, and how AI is being used across different industries. This course is less about coding and more about understanding AI tools and workflows, which makes it a great option if you want a broad, practical overview of AI without diving too deep into technical details. It earns the number 3 spot because it's extremely useful, but it's more of a big picture course rather than a hands-on engineering path. At number 2, we have Generative AI for Beginners. And this is one of the best entry-level AI courses on Udemy. You can see right away that this course has a very high rating and a massive number of students, which usually means it's beginner-friendly and easy to follow. It includes a solid number of lectures and hours without feeling overwhelming. As I scroll through the course content, you'll notice that it explains how generative AI works, what large language models are, and even walks you through building a simple AI chatbot step by step. This course does an excellent job of taking complex ideas and making them understandable, which is why it ranks so high. The only reason it's not number 1 is because it's designed mainly for beginners and doesn't go as deep into advanced or career-level AI development. And finally, at number 1, the AI Engineer course, Complete AI Engineer Bootcamp. This is the most complete and career-focused course on this list. As you can see at the top of the page, it has a strong rating, thousands of reviews, hundreds of lectures, and nearly 30 hours of content. Scrolling through the curriculum, you'll notice this course covers Python for AI, machine learning, fundamentals, natural language processing, large language models, and real-world projects using modern tools like LangChain and Hugging Face. What makes this course stand out is that it doesn't just teach you how to use AI. It teaches you how to build AI systems and applications. It starts beginner friendly but gradually moves into advanced topics, making it ideal if you're serious about AI as a skill or even a future career. That's why this course earns the #1 spot. So those are my top 5 AI courses on Udemy, ranked from least recommended to most recommended. If you just want to improve productivity, the earlier courses are great for you. If you want a real understanding of AI and how to build with it, the #1 course is the best choice. Let me know in the comments which course you're thinking about taking and if this video helped you out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.